EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. What is it and how can I practice it? Let's find out. Commonly known as tapping, EFT is used to release negative emotion, blockages, limitations, pain, whatever it is that is holding you back, and to replace it with positive affirmations and energy. In this practice, we are going to tap the meridians. Meridians are energy centers, and we're going to use the same just like in Chinese medicine. There are 5 steps to tapping. Step number 1, identify the issue. What is going on? Are you limiting yourself? Don't you have enough self-love? Are you heartbroken? Are you in physical pain? Are you trying to change your behavior? For example, let's say that you have a very short patience. It could be letting go of a traumatic memory or trying to become a better person. Step number 2, rate the intensity. How much does it hurt you? How much does it bother you? Is it a 10 out of 10 discomfort? Is it a 3 out of 10 discomfort? Let's say, for example, a 10 out of 10 discomfort would be, I'm heartbroken. A 3 out of 10 discomfort would be, I feel soreness after I have worked out a lot. Make sure to keep in mind what you rated the discomfort before doing the EFT practice. Step number 3, set a statement. The statement has to be something like, even though, insert pain. So even though I'm heartbroken, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. After you do that, I just love to always throw in some affirmations in there that take away from the intensity of this pain that we are dealing with at the moment. You're going to see what I mean in the upcoming practice. Step number 4, we're going to tap out on the meridians. All right, so the meridians that we're going to work with are the top of the head, between the eyebrows, the side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, on the chin, the collarbones, and under the arm. When we do the tapping, we activate the energy centers to bring in balance the very heavy energy with the very light positive affirmations so that we balance it out and take away from the intensity. And last but not least, step number 5, reassessment. How is the intensity now? Do you remember at the beginning of the EFT practice, we rated the intensity. It was a 10 out of 10 if we stick with the example of the heartbreak. Now, after the practice, how does it feel now? Is it still a 10 out of 10? Is it a 7 out of 10? Is it a 3 out of 10? You can only find out by trying it out. So let's go into practice. We're starting out with our left arm up like this, and we're going to take 3 or 2 fingers, depends on what feels more natural to you, and we're going to tap out the side of the hand. We're going to think about the issue that we have right now and set the statement. Even though I am heartbroken, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. And you're going to want to repeat that for 3 taps. Even though I'm heartbroken, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. Even though I'm heartbroken, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. The pain is a 10 out of 10 right now, and so we're going to start with the meridians and reassuring. I might feel heartbroken right now, but there are so many reasons to be happy. There are so many reasons to be grateful for. I have a lot of self-love for myself because I know my worth. I am worthy of love, and people around me that truly matter show me that they love me on a day-to-day basis. I am lovable. I am not hard to love, and every experience is making me grow more and more. I am becoming my best self with this wisdom that I'm now gaining out of this experience. And I know that even though my heart is broken, I'm learning out of this as well. And so what is not meant for me is making place for what is truly meant to be in my life. I am actually grateful for this experience that I'm going through right now because I know I have already hit my lowest point. It's only going up from here. Thank you, universe, for teaching me to surrender, and for teaching me resilience. I am grateful for becoming my best self. I cannot wait to welcome all of the wonderful people into my life that I'm once going to love and that are going to love me. I am grateful for loving myself. After you've done this 3 times, you're going to want to take a deep breath in and exhale all the negativity out. Now, you can do the rating again. How do you feel? I feel like it's a 2 out of 10 now. It's not a 10 out of 10 anymore. So you're going to do that at least 3 times. You can do it for as long as you please, but do at least 3 rounds of tapping. You can use EFT for anxiety, stress relief, trauma relief, emotional healing, physical healing, changing a behavioral pattern, literally everything. The best way to find out if it works for you is to try it out. So have fun, go ahead and tap out all the negative energy and welcome in all the positive affirmations and energy.